DraftSight 2023 is a professional feature-rich DWG design and drafting solution. Let's take a look at some of the great features being introduced in the new release, including Annotation Monitor, Data Extraction Wizard, Cycling Selection Tool, Contextual Ribbon Tab, Page Layout Manager, and Home by Me improvements. Our new Annotation Monitor helps you quickly identify annotations that have no associativity or have been disassociated. Easily reassociate annotations to objects or entities to complete and manage drawing annotation. With the new Data Extract tool, we can provide design flexibility by combining drawing data with external data into a single source, while reducing errors and fostering collaboration within the organization. It allows us to streamline the design process by reducing the manual counting and entering of table data through the extraction of selected entities and blocks within the drawing. The new Cycling Selection tool helps declutter overlapping entities and streamline design workflow. Display the Cycling Selection dialog box where you click and easily select the highlighted object among the overlapping entities. New and future contextual ribbon tabs optimize design workflow with a maximized viewing and working area. Design faster with a view of only relevant options and related commands for entity creation and modifications grouped in one convenient tab. Save time adjusting print settings by reusing custom print configurations saved entirely within the drawing or drawing templates in the improved Page Layout Manager. Improve usability of floor plan design with support for quick preview and direct floor edits through the improved Home by Me add-in integration.